I'm Juanjo from a small village in the Pyrenees of Lerida, and I wanted to share my progress, my achievements, my process. The truth is that I have very nice achievements, and I am very happy with the whole process and with everything that has meant ClearSight Method in these months for me. I came to the course with confidence in my natural vision due to an experience as a child with strabismus, which was cured with exercises given to me by a doctor when I was about 8 years old, during a turbulent time in my childhood. Without knowing, I retained that confidence. And then, I didn't expect miracles, but I did come with that intrinsic confidence behind me. So the last few years of my life were very stressful, of a lot of changes, of moving, work problems, and so on. And that generated a lot of tension. You can see that all this began to dissolve with the exercises. With the exercises that Ainhoa proposed, which I think are excellent. A lot of weight was put on the emotional, in the processing. To erase the emotional footprint for me has been very nice, very liberating, and I do it weekly. In the improvements I have experienced, I was having difficulty seeing clearly at a distance, and I was already having difficulty seeing up close. I did 2 routines, based mostly on Dr. Flynn's routines, on eating well to see better, and with other exercises, with everything that Ainhoa has told me in the personal consultations, a lot of palming, a lot of sunning. I changed my diet, I also improved a lot. The conditions for sleeping and resting well, the darkness in the room. So I am very happy with all the measures that also accompanied this process, which are directly related to it. After 20 days of doing a personal workout routine with exercises, I started to see more clearly. First I did the presbyopia treatment, and the truth is that I started to see even the smallest letter more clearly. To my amazement, I could see up to the 3rd letter size, which is quite small, but the last 2 I could not see. I managed to get to 5. Up to 2, sorry. Well, to my astonishment, because at the beginning I could not see more than a gray line. And that's when I changed, and I started doing the distance vision for myopia. And also targets that I have, I don't know, a town that's a kilometer away here in the mountains, or something smaller but 5 or 6 meters away, and I start to see it much more clearly. It has been wonderful to me. It is very concrete. I am very happy. And then, this week a case happened to me that was also striking. And that has been very surprising for me. I went back to the optotype and the marks that I had put at the beginning. To my surprise, from the same font sizes, I could distance myself a meter further away. From the poster. When I pasted it in March, that is, I pasted it on the 10th of March, I think. 1 meter more, both in the smaller letters and in the medium ones that I had marked farther away. Let's say 4 meters, a little farther away, and I could see the same letter, without the need for artificial light. So it's been very tangible and very concrete improvements. And above all, the feeling of having the reins of the process and of being able to go along with it. The process of healing the eyesight. I am very grateful to Ainhoa, who has awakened a whole sensitivity, a confidence that all this is possible. And it has given me concrete tools to work on each aspect. I think the course is excellent, very well structured, and in each edition it will surely improve a little more. And also the group, it is amazing. It is a force that accompanies and strengthens the whole process, which I think is spectacular. So I recommend it 100%. I think it is to go through it. It is hard work, lot of results. Little work, little results. But it is great to be the driver of the healing process. And the vision, as Ainhoa always explains, I think it is the synthesis of the being. That is where we reflect ourselves, and that is where our whole reality is shown. And to accompany, to be conscious, to be guided, seems an excellent opportunity to me. Thanks to Ainhoa, thanks to the group. A big hug and we remain connected. In ClearSight Method. Well, a pleasure, and again, I'm very grateful.